Hey there, if you'd like to have your name or perhaps a phrase at the bottom of your iPhone's lock screen, here's what you need to do. And let me know in the comments what you're going to put on your phone. What we do first is unlock the phone, then swipe down from the top right to get to the control center. From here, we go to the focus icon. Press this, and what we'll do from here is create a new focus. So just at the bottom, plus sign, new focus, press. And here it says, what do you want to focus on? We'll go to custom. And here you can enter your name or phrase. So I'll click into the name field. I'll double tap the shift button to give me constant caps lock. And I'll type your space name. Of course, you put in whatever you wish. I'll hit enter here. I'll hit next. Here it says customize focus, no other options. Press it, and from here we can close this screen. So I'll just simply swipe away. Next up, we'll swipe back down to go to the control center. We'll go to focus, and just here you'll see your name. Click it. It's enabled, and just to explain, it's effectively a focus with no actual actions, so it's like a placeholder, and this enables you to use your name or phrase. So let's close this, lock the screen, press the power button, and there at the bottom you have your name and a nice smiley face.